Hi everyone, welcome to Bangkok Lifestyle Updates. Today we're going to show you how to use the BTS Skytrain in 2024. From routes, schedule, fares, to how to purchase tickets, navigate, and transfer, you can find all the information in this video. So, let's dive in. The BTS Skytrain is an elevated rapid transit system that has been providing a huge relief to Bangkok's notoriously clogged traffic since 1999. The whole system consists of 3 lines, with 62 stations in total and a combined length of 70 kilometers. The Sukhumvit line, aka the light green line, runs northwest to Kukot and southeastwards to Keha. With 47 stops in total, it connects some of the most popular destinations in Bangkok, such as the Siam Shopping Complex, Chatuchak Weekend Market, the Sukhumvit Road, and so on. The Silom line, aka the dark green line, runs from National Stadium through the CBD of Silom, across Chao Phraya River all the way to Ban Wa, with 14 stops along the way. Slightly different from the other two, the Gold Line is an automated people mover put to use since 2020. This line is 1.8 kilometers long, with 3 stations from Klon Thonburi to Klon San, and serves Icon Siam at Sharon Nakhon Station. Of course, each station has different timetables, but both the Sukhumvit line and the Silom line start running from roughly 5:30 a.m. and stop around midnight. The Gold Line operates from around 6 a.m. to midnight. Sometimes the service hours are extended for public holidays like New Year's Eve. The travel time from one stop to another is roughly 2 minutes. As for the service intervals between trains, during peak hours on weekdays, the interval can be as short as 2 minutes and 40 seconds. So if you can't get on this train, simply wait for the next one. During regular hours and over the weekend, the interval is usually around 6 minutes. For single journey card and regular prepaid card users, the fares range from 15 baht to 62 baht. To break it down, for the main part of the Sukhumvit line, which is from Mochit to An Nut, it's 17 baht to travel 1 stop, 25 baht for 2 stops, all the way up to 47 baht for 8 stops or more, as shown in the table here. Starting from 2024, the northern extension of Mochit to Kukot and the southeastern extension of An Nut to Keha are no longer free. A flat rate of 15 baht is charged for these extensions. The fares of the Silom line are almost the same as the Sukhumvit line, except that traveling for 10 stops or more is 62 baht. The Gold Line charges a flat rate of 16 baht, which is not included with the green lines. This means that when you try to change from the Silom line to the Gold Line, you have to get out of the station and purchase a new ticket for the Gold Line. A bit confused? I know. The easiest way to figure out the fare is to check it out in the train station, so let's go there. To purchase a ticket for a single journey, simply use the vending machine. You can switch the system language between Thai and English. On the map, point to the rough area of your destination. As the map zooms in, click on the button corresponding to your destination, and the fare will be displayed in the upper right corner. For payment, insert banknotes, coins, or scan the QR code to use Rapid Pay, Thai Bank's Prompt Pay, or China's WeChat payment. Since the end of 2023, all stations on the Sukhumvit line have integrated WeChat payment, making it more convenient for Chinese users. Alternatively, you can visit the ticket counter and purchase a single ticket from the staff, who are always happy to help. Apart from single journey ticket, there are other options. A one-day pass costs 150 baht, payable only at the counter with cash, credit card, or prompt pay QR. The one-day pass is valid for the day and expires at midnight, giving you a lot of freedom to explore the wonderful city of Bangkok by the green lines. In fact, we're creating a series of videos called Explore Bangkok by BTS to show you different sides of the city that you've probably never seen before. So please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Now, back to the stored value card. If you live in Bangkok and use the BTS system very often, it's worth getting a Rapid card just to avoid waiting in line during peak hours. To do so, you need to present your passport or ID as well as your phone number at the ticket counter of any BTS station. The Rapid card itself costs 100 baht of initial issuing fee and can store from 100 baht up to 4,000 baht. You can easily top up your card at any ticket counter or via My Rapid app. Other benefits of getting a rabbit card include accumulating points to redeem free trips, paying on boats and buses, as well as convenience stores and food courts that accept rabbit card. Also available are discount cards, such as student rabbit card for students under 23 years old and senior rabbit card for seniors over 60 years old. To navigate on the phone, there are local apps like Bangkok Metro Transit Map or the Skytrains, but honestly, Google Maps is good enough. You can find the information of direction, the platform number, how many stops, the exit closest to your final destination, and so on. To navigate in the train station, you'll find information boards pretty much everywhere. Once you enter the station, look above for signs pointing to your direction. In moments of uncertainty, check if the platform number matches the one on your Google Maps. Inside the train, the Thai and English announcement as well as the overhead board can help guide your journey. Other signage like exit number, transfer point, and color coding of different lines follows a pretty standard format, just like most of the mass transit systems in the world. Since the major systems in Bangkok such as BTS, MRT, SRT, and ARL are operated by different organizations, interchanging between lines often requires exiting one line and entering another with a new ticket, occasionally a lot of walking. Nevertheless, navigation remains relatively straightforward with the assistance of physical signs, color coding, and Google Maps. For the BTS Sukhumvit line, you can transfer to the following lines at the following stations. For the Silom line, you can transfer to these lines at these stations. If you use single journey card, when you get out of the station, simply insert your card in the slot. If you use one-day pass or a rabbit card, tap to get out. You can keep the one-day pass at the end of the day as a souvenir from Bangkok. Since the BTS Skytrain is an elevated system, you access most of the stations via stairs. Some stations are equipped with escalators and elevators, and some have Bangkok's symbolic skywalks that stretch for very long distance. Inside the train station, elevators are usually located in the middle of the platform for going up and down easily. Last but not least, some etiquette is worth noticing. Eating is not allowed inside the BTS system. When waiting at the doors, allow other passengers to get up first. During rush hours, particularly on the Silom line, it is advised not to carry backpacks on your back. These small gestures contribute to a more pleasant riding experience for everyone. That's all for the ultimate guide on how to use BTS Skytrain in Bangkok in 2024. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with someone you want to explore Bangkok together, and subscribe to our channel for more Bangkok lifestyle updates. You're also more than welcome to connect with us on other socials. If you want to support us to make more videos, please consider buying me a coffee at It Means the Whole World to Us. Thank you for staying with us till the end, and we'll see you in the next one.